Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Zangi Messenger on your phone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, go ahead and open the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store on your phone. Now tap on the search icon, then type in ZANZI, then tap on search. Now on your screen on the top, you're gonna find Zangi Private Messenger. Tap on it, then you're gonna see one of these four options: get, download, install or backup. Go ahead and tap on one of those options, then it's gonna ask you for the details. Go ahead, give it, then your phone will start downloading Zangi Messenger. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.